Welcome to our training series on exceptional service in the hospitality industry. Today, we'll guide you through the steps of answering a telephone call in a hotel restaurant, ensuring a professional and welcoming experience for our guests. Before answering the phone, ensure you have everything you need within reach: your reservation book, a pen, and a notepad. Remember, the way you answer the phone sets the tone for the entire guest experience. Answer the call promptly, ideally within 3 rings. Begin with a warm greeting, your name, and the restaurant's name. Thank you for calling the dining room at ABC Hotel. This is Joanna. How may I assist you today? Fully to the guest's request. If it's a reservation, confirm the details: date, time, number of guests, and any special requests. If the guest has questions, provide clear and concise answer. Mr. Smith, you'd like to reserve a table for 2 this Friday at 7 p.m. We'll have a special table prepared for you. Do you have any dietary preferences or special requests? After addressing the guest's needs, repeat the details back to them to ensure everything is correct. Offer further assistance if needed, and thank the guest for their call. That's a reservation for 2 this Friday at 7 p.m. If there's anything else you need, please don't hesitate to call us. Thank you for choosing the dining room. We look forward to serving you. Have a wonderful evening. After the call, promptly record all relevant information in the reservation book or system. Keep your workspace organized and ready for the next call, ensuring you're always prepared to provide excellent service. By following these simple steps, you'll create a positive and memorable experience for every guest who calls.